heart-racing experience, fun and challenging, but it requires the very best parts to ensure high performance and safety. Motorpro has been engineering and manufacturing innovative chassis part solutions for almost 30 years and has developed a well-earned reputation with specialist off-road parts suppliers worldwide. It all starts with a problem, such as an underperforming ball joint that wears out too quickly, a serious safety issue.
You gotta fix these ball joints for me. They're wearing out way too fast.
Oh, okay. Well, send me the sample and I'll take care of it.
Okay, I will. I'll send it out tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
We keep having issues with these ball joints. They tend to wear out very quickly.
Oh, don't worry. We have the best equipment in Taiwan. We will check the problem and find a solution for you.
In a first step, Motorpro engineers thoroughly analyze the original part and develop a solution that eliminates flaws and enhances performance. At each stage, the customer is closely involved in the engineering and design process. The in-house laboratory is equipped with state-of-the-art testing facilities. Each prototype undergoes a series of rigorous tests to ensure that it meets the performance and safety demands of the customer.
I'm really happy that you invested in all this equipment. No wonder they can make such high quality parts.
At Motorpro, we invest in quality.
Once the customer approves the specifications and lab test results and has tested the prototype themselves, the production begins. Motorpro manufactures all their steering and suspension parts in-house to maintain full control over the quality of every single part. A wide range of machining equipment allows the company to perform custom processes that set them apart from the competition and result in unique design solutions. Motorpro delivers excellent high-performance off-road steering and suspension components at highly competitive prices for all the big names in the 4x4, Jeep, truck, ATV, and UTV markets. Motorpro is the #1 choice for specialist off-road part suppliers around the globe that need an end-to-end solution from design through prototyping and manufacture and fast delivery. Start your project today and give your parts the boost they deserve.